How to turn off search history on YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we will learn how we can turn off search history on YouTube, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now we are not talking about deleting search history, we are talking about completely turning off our search history so that YouTube will not be able to track any of our search histories that we make. And in order to do this, all you have to do is go ahead and make sure to launch YouTube application here. Then just make sure to tap the profile icon located at the top right and then just go to settings. Once you come to settings, over here you'll find the option called manage all history. Just make sure to tap on it, and as you tap on manage all history, you can see saving your YouTube history. So you just need to tap on it over here, and then right here you can see the option called turn off. So what you can do is you can actually turn off your YouTube search history or your YouTube history. What this does is that it is not going to keep a track of any of your searches or videos that you have watched on YouTube, which means that you will most likely go incognito mode, and this way you'll be able to turn off search history on YouTube. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.